Hi guys, GP here of BudgetTECHph, and today we have the Huawei Y9 2019. And before we start, I just want to give you a rundown of some of its specs. This one is powered by Kirin 710 with an octa-core processor. 4 of them is using 2.2 GHz and the other 4 is 1.7 GHz. And this one is using the Mali G51 MP4 GPU. And take note of this, guys. This one has a massive 64 gig of internal storage and 4 gig of RAM. And if that's not enough for you guys, I don't know. And by the way, you can get this for only 12,990 pesos. Okay guys, let's get started and let's unbox this. Okay, once you open this box, you'll be greeted by the phone itself right here. I got the midnight black, but this one has two more colors actually, the blue one and the purple one right there. Okay, let's check that later. Let's check what else is inside this box. We have the SIM tray ejector, quick start guide, warranty card, and we have a free jelly case right here. Nice. And we have the charger, a micro USB cable, and the earphone. We have an earphone, guys. Okay, let's go back and check this phone. As you can see, guys, this is a pretty big phone, but it's not that heavy right there. And let me just remove this sticker. As you can see, guys, this one is a glass looking cover, but based on reports, this one is actually made of plastic. It's pretty impressive. But this one is made of metal right there. And right here you can see the 3.5 earphone jack, the micro USB port, the speaker grill, and the SIM tray right here. And on top of this notch, you can see the speaker for your calls. And for the display, guys, we have a 6.5 Full HD Plus display right here. Look at that, it's pretty impressive. This may not be the brightest screen or display that you can see on a smartphone, but it has a good viewing angle. Look at that. Okay, right here on top, you can see the notch. It's pretty standard nowadays. But if you're not a fan of it, we can actually hide it right here. Look at that. It's not that obvious anymore. But for now, let's just keep it. And let's move on to the software. This one is using the 8.1 Android Oreo. It's the latest, guys. And for the security, at the back you can see there's a fingerprint scanner. But this one also has a face unlock technology. But for now, we will try the fingerprint scanner. Look at that. It's pretty responsive and fast. Let's do it one more time. Okay. And let's move on to the cameras. I'm really excited to test this one. Okay, at the back you can see the 16 megapixel camera plus 2 megapixel camera, and at the front the selfie cameras are 13 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel camera right there. So I'm just gonna take it outside and test all these cameras. Picture quality is good, and honestly it's quite impressive. The dual camera setup really adds depth to the pictures. Low light situation may not be ideal for this phone, but for its price, the results are decent. Camera software is straightforward, but it has a lot of features. What I like is that you can control the beauty mode settings. For selfie camera, no shocking results, but the picture qualities are good. Huawei Y9 2019 may look like your average budget mid-range phone, but for its price and its specs, Huawei definitely did not disappoint us. And that's it guys for our unboxing and quick review of the Huawei Y9 2019. And once again guys, if you have a gadget in mind that you want us to unbox, review, just comment down below, let us know. And don't forget to subscribe, and if you like the video, please do give us a thumbs up, and don't forget that notification bell as well. Okay guys, see you next time.